Welcome to this module, the transposition of formulas. In this module I want to discuss how you transpose a formula. This means to rearrange it and express it in a different way. Now the ability to do this is an extremely important, useful tool that you can use, as it enables you to work with the many formulas that you'll come across in fire science, and at some point you will have to do a transposition. So how do you carry out a transposition? Well, the main rule is that whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other. So whatever you do to one side, do to the other. Let's have a simple example, this one here. I want you to transpose this and express it in terms of A. Well, how do you do that? Well, I've got to divide by A divided by B. I need to remove the B. Well, how do you remove the by the B? Well, multiply both sides by B, and this gives you this here. This allows you then to cancel out the B on the left hand side. Because it's B divided by B, you can cancel it out, and this gives you the final format, A equals CB divided by D. Simple, that will want it. Let's transpose this one now, but I want you to express it in terms of D. Now the main problem here is that the D is at the bottom, and we've got to bring it up to the top first. We need to bring it up to the top before you can do anything with it. So that's the first thing you've always got to do. If it's at the bottom, bring it to the top. Well, how do you do this? Well, you multiply both sides by D, and that gives you this. Once you've multiplied both sides by D, as you can see here, you can cancel out the D. You can cancel it out now by dividing it out, and that gives you this then, AD divided by B equals C. Then, how do you get rid of the B? Well, multiply both sides by B. Well, if you multiply both sides by B, you get this. You cancel out the B, because it's B divided by B, you get this. AD equals CB. Then all you do is divide both sides by A. Both sides by A, that cancels that out, and it gives us the final formula, D equals CB divided by A. The key rule is whatever you do to one side, you do to the other.